Welcome to the top best. The best Apple remote is probably one of the most underrated gadgets in your entertainment setup. This sleek, minimalist device is more than just a clicker, it's your gateway to seamless control over your Apple TV experience. From navigating menus to adjusting volume, the Apple remote offers a level of simplicity and elegance that enhances your viewing pleasure. In this video, we'll dive deep into why this remote deserves a spot on your coffee table. Number 5. POWEROWL CR2032 12-pack batteries. These POWEROWL CR2032 batteries are perfect for a wide range of devices. They work with Apple AirTags, key fobs, remote controls, and many other gadgets. This makes them a versatile choice for your everyday needs. The CR2032 is compatible with various models. You can use it as a replacement for DL2032, ECR2032, and many more. This ensures that it fits a wide array of devices. Thanks to the improved design, this battery has an air and liquid-tight seal. This locks in the power until you need it, ensuring it's ready when you are. This battery uses high-density cells for better performance. The energy density is increased by 10%, and the capacity is increased by 20% compared to normal cells. This means it lasts longer. You'll receive a 12-pack of POWEROWL CR2032 batteries. Plus, you'll get a 24-month warranty and friendly customer service. This gives you peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. This battery pack is perfect if you're tired of constantly replacing your Apple TV remote batteries. It offers a wide range of compatibility, ensuring it works with various devices. If you have multiple devices that use CR2032 batteries, this is a cost-effective and convenient choice. With its long-lasting power, it will keep your devices running for longer. What people say. The remote works perfectly. It was easy to pair with my Apple TV. The design is sleek and modern. Number 4. Universal Replacement Remote for Apple TV. Introducing the Universal Replacement Remote, designed for all Apple TV models. This remote offers a simple solution for controlling your Apple TV, providing all the essential functions. This remote is compatible with Apple TV 4K and generations 1 through 4, as well as HD models. It's a versatile replacement for your original remote. The power button controls your TV's on-off function. Volume and mute buttons work with Samsung, LG, Westinghouse, Insignia, Vizio, and Toshiba TVs. Please note that these buttons are not compatible with Roku TVs or Apple TV. This remote is ready to use right out of the box. Simply insert fresh batteries and it's ready to go. Change your TV input to Apple TV and it will work. This is an IR remote, so line of sight is required. It does not include Siri voice control or touchpad functions. It is not compatible with HomePod Mini or HomePod. What we like. This universal remote is a great option if you need a simple replacement without all the extra features. It works with a wide range of Apple TV models and doesn't require any programming. If you are looking for a basic remote that gets the job done without any fuss, this is the one for you. What people say. This remove works right out of the box. It even controls most things on my 15-year-old Vizio TV. Works as described and worked immediately when used without issue. Number 3. Channel Master Simple Remote for Apple TV. This is the Channel Master Simple Remote. It's designed as a replacement or secondary remote for your Apple TV and Apple TV 4K. It offers a simple and easy-to-use design. This remote works right out of the box with your Apple TV and Apple TV 4K. It's also compatible with Channel Master DVR Plus and Stream Plus devices. You can start using it immediately. The remote uses infrared technology with a range of up to 30 feet. Remember that a clear line of sight is needed between the remote and your Apple TV device for it to function properly. This remote has universal functionality. It can be programmed to control the power, volume, and mute functions of your television or soundbar. It offers convenient control. It's easy to program the remote. It has a built-in code search function. You can quickly set it up to control your devices. What we like. This remote is ideal if you want a straightforward, no-frills experience. It's designed for easy use and can control the power and volume of your TV or soundbar. If you like a simple remote that's easy to set up and use, this is a great choice. What people say. The remote works perfectly. It was easy to pair with my Apple TV. The design is sleek and modern. Number 2. Apple TV Remote Control for 2nd 3rd 4K TV. This remote is compatible with various Apple TV models, including the 2021 4K, HD, and older generations. It works with models A1294, A1156, and more. It's a versatile replacement for your existing remote. This is an infrared remote, meaning it requires a direct line of sight to your Apple TV. Please note that it is not a Siri remote and does not have voice control, volume adjustment, or touchpad functions. While not the original, this remote functions just as well. If the range seems limited, ensure there are no obstructions between the remote and your Apple TV, such as a cabinet or being placed behind the TV. It's incredibly easy to set up. Simply insert 2 AAA batteries, which are not included, and it's ready to go. The intelligent chip ensures quick response times, executing your commands in a fraction of a second. If you have any questions before or after purchasing, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to assist you and ensure you have a great experience with the product. Thank you. What we like. This remote is a solid choice if you need a direct replacement for your Apple TV remote. It's compatible with many Apple TV models and requires no programming. If you are looking for a simple, reliable replacement that works right out of the box, it's a great option. What people say. The remote works perfectly with my Apple TV. It was easy to pair with my Apple TV. The design is sleek and modern. Number 1. Function 101F101 ATVRM BT Apple TV Remote. Introducing the Function 101 button remote, designed for easy navigation on your Apple TV. This remote is perfect for anyone who wants a simple and effective way to control their entertainment. This remote uses both Bluetooth and infrared technology for seamless connectivity. It offers a superior range and doesn't require a direct line of sight for most functions. You can program the remote to control the volume, mute, and power of your TV, soundbar, or receiver. It works with over 100 brands using infrared technology. Remember, you'll need a direct line of sight for these functions. Easily pause, fast forward, or rewind content on popular apps like Prime Video and Apple TV+. The dedicated buttons make it simple to navigate through your favorite shows and movies. The remote features a home button for quick access to the tvOS control center. It's compatible with all Apple TV and Apple TV 4K models. This is a great alternative to the Siri remote. The Function 101 button remote is ready to use right out of the box. It's designed with traditional remote control buttons that you're already familiar with. If you have any issues, support is available. The remote comes with 2 AAA batteries, providing long-lasting power. You won't need to worry about recharging it. What we like. This remote is perfect if you want a more advanced experience with both Bluetooth and IR connectivity. It allows you to control the volume, mute, and power functions of your TV and audio devices. If you like the convenience of a remote with more features and a longer range, consider this one. What people say. The remote works perfectly with my Apple TV. It was easy to pair with my Apple TV. The design is sleek and the buttons are responsive. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.